Okay, I'm gonna heat this up and get it really, really hot. And when it's really hot, it'll want to return to its shape. Sometimes it's not 100%, but it's just another option if you want to just pop the bumper out. Scrape here, a couple of spider cracks here. So to get it back like factory again, you'd have to do a lot of sanding and all. See the spider cracks here, a little scratch here, another spider crack here. This is popped out, that should pop back in. Okay, it's about hot enough now. I'm gonna stick this rod in behind, just in case. The problem with doing this, I can do it too, push it out. Sometimes you can put a ball on the end, but still, it'll want to stretch the bumper. You have all these marks in it just pushing out. So I'm gonna get this in here to get it ready, but I'm gonna do the rest by hand, so let's see what happens. Let's see up top here. Place. We're looking pretty good. If you look close, it's hard to see this with my camera here. If you see a little bit of a hump is still sticking out there, I'm going to monkey with that a little bit, and some of the little spider cracks. I'm going to buff this little area here, but you can see some of the little cracks in the paint. So you can pop it out, it'll look pretty good, and leave it like that, or go ahead and do the full repair. We got a little spot here on a buff and one here, and that's really about it. All the other ones are spider cracks. Put a little coat of wax on it, make sure it shines up good. Okay. All right, so here's a close-up. Hopefully I'm getting it right. I can barely see what I'm recording here. But like I said, a couple of little star cracks in here still. A little area here that has some paint missing. Everything popped back into place, but overall, not too bad. Okay, so like I said, that's another option if you'd like. Any questions, feel free to give me a call. Have a great day. Bye.